Welcome students, this is Vinod Puniteka, your English teacher. Now we are going to see chapter 7 Glimpses of India part 2. The chapter's name is Coorg and this is the dress of Coorgi people. Coorg or Kodagu is a narrative about a unique place in India. This chapter is written by Lokesh Abral. He is physician by profession. He is also a social worker. He established Starry Cow Shelter in Gurgaon. He is interested in writing essays. His essay Coorg highlights sharp observation and ability for graphic description of the wonderful land that is called Coorg. Coorg is a small district of Karnataka state. It is situated between Mysore and sea coastal town of Mangalore. It is called Piece of Heaven on earth, which is taken away from the kingdom of God. Coorg is a place full of evergreen forest. It is famous for rainforest, spices, and coffee cultivation. This is also famous for wildlife. There is a heavy rain during the monsoon season. Due to heavy rain, tourists do not go to visit Coorg during rainy season because rock slides and roads are blocked. Weather is pleasant for tourists from March to September. The river Kaveri gets water from the hills of Coorg. There is a large fish called mashir is found in its fresh water. Kingfishers dive to catch fish. Squirrels and langurs drop half-eaten fruits from the tree and do lot of mischievous deeds. They enjoy splashing in the water. Mahouts give their elephants bath in its fresh water. If you climb on the top of the Brahmagiri hills, you can see beautiful panorama of Coorg landscape. There is a bridge made of rope that leads 64-acre island Nisargadhama. In that place you can see lot of Buddhist monks and the people who have settled down from Tibet. The monks in yellow religious habit look beautiful. Thus, this place seems soul of India for tourists. Coorgi men are physically very strong and women are hardworking and beautiful. The most adventurous sports are rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, mountaineering, and mountain biking. There are two hypotheses regarding the people of Coorg. Traditional legend says that ancestors of Coorgi people had come from Greek. They were brave men working as army with Alexander the Great. Long time back they came and due to some reason they could not go back to their homeland. So they stayed there and contracted marriages with local ladies and settled down there. The second hypothesis says that probably they are from Arab. Coorgis marriage tradition, culture, cult, way of worship is different from the mainstream Vedic Hindu tradition. According to Arab hypothesis, the kupiya, a long black coat with embroidered belt worn by Coorgis, is similar to Arab and Kurds. Coorgi people are well known for their hospitality of guests. They have good tradition of welcoming their guests. As we know, they are brave people. So the first army chief, Indian Army General Karyappa, was a Coorgi man. Even today, Kudavas are allowed to keep fire guns without license. They have countless stories of their brave ancestors. Thus, they are independent, dreadful, and other qualities makes them different and unique. The important questions of this chapter is where is Coorg? Why it is famous for? What are the two stories about the Coorgi people's descendant? It means from where they have come. What are the things you know about Coorg? The people of Coorg, the main crop of Coorg, what are the famous sports, what are the animals you can find in Coorg. So these are the probable main questions. So you can listen the video carefully and later on you can write your question answer.